Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and today I'm opening with you another package that I've received from Thrive Market. Well, it's a very heavy one, and these are, I would say, mostly my staple items. And if you're following me, you already know that I do always order the Buy Clean Dish Liquid with the citrus essence and aloe vera. It does not have an overwhelming like perfume smell, which I don't like. It's plant-based, which is actually one of the main reasons I am ordering it, and it's gonna last you a really long time. Now, another item that I can't exist without is the Castile soap. I prefer getting the pure Castile soap without any essential oils added to it, because I normally do my own recipes where I add the oils. So like the pure form is the best for me to work with. So, and Thrive Market has, as I believe, one of the best prices for Castile soap. It's a large bottle. Another staple item in the cooking department is the Thrive Market coconut oil. Is the virgin organic coconut oil, and I believe this is also a very good deal because you buy so much, 54 ounces, for a very good price. As you can see, it's melted right now because it's very warm outside. Normally it would become solid at the room temperature. Something in here.
What is that thing?
That is, I think,
I don't know. Oh, what is that?
that is garbanzo beans. I really love this company. It's organic garbanzo beans, and I am planning on making my own hummus with it. What is very important for me when I buy canned foods is that there is no salt added, and it goes for tomato sauces, like, you know, tomato puree, tomatoes, anything you buy canned, even the beans. It's always preferred that it doesn't have any salt. Next very heavy item, that is the apple cider vinegar, and I used to buy the Bragg's brand before. This is the Thrive Market brand, and honestly it's like really the same superb quality. It's important to buy raw, unfiltered, with the mother vinegar anytime you want to use it. I use it for so many different things, like soaking my grains, and I do even drink it sometimes, not all the time. So this is it. And the last humongous something. That is a new item I'm ordering. I really love toasted sesame oil. This is Napa Valley Naturals. I've never ordered anything from their company, but I loved that this is organic. It's exactly what I needed. It's pallet pressed, and I like the price. And it's really a big bottle. It's 12, almost 13 ounces here. So I will give it a try. If you have any questions, you could let me know, and I will let you know in turn what I think about it. So this is it. I don't cook with it. I only add it to the food itself. Now there is a little bit, the bathroom department, he's making the sign because he's waiting for his first own mouthwash. Well, this is not it. This is for me. This is this is tea tree therapy mouthwash. If you are familiar with this company, you know they make everything with tea tree oil. So natural fresh flavor. I would give it a try. That's the mouthwash. And another mouthwash, I believe, should be this is yours. Yes, for kids. This is Hello brand Kids Reens natural watermelon flavor. Just make sure when you're shopping for the mouthwash, it should be specifically for the kids. This one has no alcohol and no fluoride, if that's important for you. I do not really believe that you must absolutely have the Kids Reens. My kids almost 5 years old, but I believe it actually makes some good habits, makes them more interested in the process itself. So here, this is for you. Now, if we're talking dental things, I have a little bit more here. That is the floss. I used to order different kind of floss before, and I decided to try the Thrive Market. They have changed the packaging, like there is no plastic. So when you open it up, always be careful that you just carefully open this part, because what's in there will be important for you to use the floss in the future. Now I have a couple of toothpaste here. This is also Hello. It's also for the kids. Fluoride-free toothpaste, watermelon, and if you look at the ingredients, I find them to be without any additives that I believe really you can concentrate. Shouldn't be in the kids' toothpaste, so check it out. Here you go. Now another toothpaste, another couple of them. This one I can already tell you that it is a very good one. This is Himalaya Botanics Whitening Complete Care Toothpaste. I've already used this one, so this is a recurring order for me. I really like that. And another one I have, it's also for kids. I never tried that before. It's by Kiss My Face Kids Toothpaste, and it's also without fluoride and has a berry smart flavor. I just want to open it up because the packaging seems to be very big, and I just want to see the actual size. Yeah, this is the actual size.
This is mine?
Yes, it's the actual size for the toothbrush, for the toothpaste, and it's rather large. So here, this is for you too. Enjoy. Now, here I have the organic all-purpose flour by Thrive Market. So also, I think if you buy things by Thrive Market brand, it also saves you money. Now this is the organic red lentil risotto. So I want to try it for my kid, see if he's gonna like it. He doesn't like large pieces of pasta, so I think that might work. And also this is for us, both of us. This is tolerant organic green lentil elbows. So I'm actually a big fan of gluten-free pasta options. It's not that I am gluten-free, I just like the taste. I like the beans, lentils, so easier to incorporate into the diet. Oh, there is also one more toothpaste, and they have changed the packaging, I believe. So this is by Willetta.
It's not mine?
I love this company. I seriously adore it. This is the Child's Tooth Gel. So it's important to know that it's a gel.
It's not mine?
And I believe it is better for kids, for like young kids, maybe 2, 3, 4 years of age, because it is very, very gentle. It also obviously is fluoride free and has very, very clean ingredients. It's made in Germany, and if you know, I am Russian, and I'm very, very familiar with this company. I would recommend you to buy pretty much anything they have. So this is it. Now I have here, I've mentioned that I am a fan of lentils, and I actually make soup. You can even blend it for your kids, let's say if they are not big fans at the moment. So I have red lentils and I have green lentils, so 2 of them. They're both organic. Now, we are also big fans of quinoa here. This is the red quinoa. Now, talking about
Green.
this is the organic green split peas. I mean, it's all protein. It's all the protein that you can get without, which is not animal, from the animals, right? So I love split peas. You can make amazing soup. The beans, obviously. So I believe that pinto beans are so delicious. Well, red kidney beans are pretty much classic. You can make them in so many different variations. And another beans. This is the black beans. I mean, I love all kind of beans, if you've noticed. Now there's another thing. This is the chia seeds, organic black chia seeds. They are whole seeds, and my baby loves it. I add it to oatmeal, pancakes. You can add it to the smoothies, pretty much anywhere you want. And this is a rather large packaging. It's 1 pound here. All right, this is the chickpea butter. I think it's like a sample. I haven't ordered it. That's for you. We'll give it a try. And now, guys, I have become a big fan of popcorn, and I have found out that Thrive Market has they have organic sprouted popcorn, so you can make really easy the popcorn yourself with.
What is that?
This is the chickpea butter, I believe. So you can make that with coconut oil and a little bit of cinnamon, make it on the sweeter side, or maybe add a little bit of Celtic sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. Guys, this is everything I've got from Thrive Market. You do need to become a member in order for you to be able to order anything from their website, but it definitely pays off, and they do give a 20% off coupon from your first order. And trust me, I've been with Thrive Market for many years now, and they still continue giving you this type of 15 or 20% off your cart, which is very, very good because you're already saving money, especially when you buy Thrive Market products. And I always, as you can see, order everything like in bulk, several pieces of each, because with the discount they have, it's really good for your family budget. If you guys have any questions about any of the products I have ordered, you see here, or just about Thrive Market, don't be scared, just let me know, ask me away. I will be very happy to give you the best answer I can. And I wish you guys best shopping, you know, because it's very important to know where you buy things, that you don't overpay. I wish you a wonderful day. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.